तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? तुम कहाँ रहती हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? What is your age? What is your age? यह कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? तुम्हें खाना पसंद है? Do you like food? Do you like food? तुम्हें कौन सा रंग पसंद है? Which color do you like? Which color do you like? तुम स्कूल जाते हो? Do you go to school? Do you go to school? आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? तुम्हें खेल पसंद है? Do you like sports? Do you like sports? यह कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? अभी तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम्हें कौन सा फल पसंद है? Which fruit do you like? Which fruit do you like? क्या तुम्हें गाना पसंद है? Do you like singing? Do you like singing? तुम्हारा दोस्त कौन है? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? तुम कब उठते हो? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? यह किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? यह कहाँ रखा है? Where is this kept? Where is this kept? कौन खेल जीतेगा? Who will win the game? Who will win the game? तुम किससे मिल रहे हो? Who are you meeting? Who are you meeting? यह किसका घर है? Whose house is this? Whose house is this? कल कौन आएगा? Who will come tomorrow? Who will come tomorrow? तुम क्यों देर से आए? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? यह दुकान कहाँ है? Where is this shop? Where is this shop? तुम किससे जानते हो? Who do you know? Who do you know? तुम्हारा स्कूल कहाँ है? Where is your school? Where is your school? तुम्हें कौन सा खाना पसंद है? What food do you like? What food do you like? अभी कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming now? Who is coming now? यह जगह कहाँ है? Where is this place? Where is this place? यह कब शुरू होगा? When will this start? When will this start? तुम यह क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? यह कैसे करना है? How to do this? How to do this? कौन सा रास्ता सही है? Which way is correct? Which way is correct? यह कब खत्म होगा? When will this end? When will this end? अभी मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather now? How is the weather now? यह क्यों टूटा? Why did this break? Why did this break? तुम कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming? When are you coming? यह कहाँ रखा गया है? Where is this kept? Where is this kept? तुम्हें छुट्टी कब चाहिए? When do you need leave? When do you need leave? यह किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? यह किसका फोन है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? तुम यह क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? तुम्हें कौन सा नाश्ता पसंद है? What snack do you like? What snack do you like? ये किसने लिखा? Who wrote this? Who wrote this? यह कहाँ मिलेगा? Where will this be found? Where will this be found? यह किसका कमरा है? Whose room is this? Whose room is this? यह क्यों रुक गया? Why did this stop? Why did this stop? तुम कब सोते हो? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? यह किसकी आवाज है? Whose voice is this? Whose voice is this? तुम्हें कौन सा गीत पसंद है? Which song do you like? Which song do you like? यह किसने खरीदा? Who bought this? Who bought this? यह कैसे बनेगा? How will this be made? How will this be made? कौन सा समय सही है? Which time is correct? Which time is correct? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? तुम किसे बुला रहे हो? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? यह कब आएगा? When will this come? When will this come? यह क्यों जरूरी है? Why is this important? Why is this important? तुम किससे पूछ रहे हो? Who are you asking? Who are you asking? यह किसका काम है? Whose work is this? Whose work is this? तुम यह कब सीखोगे? When will you learn this? When will you learn this? यह कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? कौन दरवाजे पर है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? तुम किसे लिख रहे हो? Who are you writing to? Who are you writing to? तुम्हें कौन सा शहर पसंद है? Which city do you like? Which city do you like? यह किसका खेल है? Whose game is this? Whose game is this? यह क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? यह किसका बैग है? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? यह कैसे होगा? How will this happen? How will this happen? कौन सा रास्ता छोटा है? Which way is shorter? Which way is shorter? तुम्हें किससे डर लगता है? What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? यह क्यों काम नहीं कर रहा है? Why is this not working? Why is this not working? तुम कब घर जाते हो? When do you go home? When do you go home? यह किसका नाम है? इसका जवाब आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए। और हाँ, वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें।